What do quasi-Christian religious groups like Iglesia Ni Cristo and Jehovah's Witnesses and Star Wars have in common? They all talk about a force. For these religious groups, the impersonal force is the Holy Spirit. And they believe this because in John 14:26, the Greek word for spirit, pneuma, is neuter, as opposed to masculine terms like father and son. So how do we respond? Well, first, just because the Greek word for spirit is neuter doesn't mean the Holy Spirit is not a person. If that were the case, well then, we'd have to say Jesus is not a person, since in Matthew 2:11, Matthew refers to him as paidion, which is Greek for child, and is neuter. But that's absurd. Further, if we hold to this line of reasoning, we're going to have to say God himself is not a person, because he's referred to as spirit in John 4:24. No quasi-Christian group would want to make that conclusion. Okay, so maybe this objection doesn't disprove the personhood of the Spirit, but is there any evidence for it? Yes. The very verse that's used in the objection says of the Holy Spirit, he will teach you all things. Notice the rational activity of teaching. Impersonal forces don't teach. We see the same sort of personal qualities in passages like John 14:16 through 17, John 15:26, and John 16:7 through 13. I must admit, it would be pretty cool if we could say, "The force be with you," when talking about the Holy Spirit. I think Star Wars fans would concur, but it wouldn't be correct, and it wouldn't bring us happiness because you can't have a relationship with the force. You can only have a relationship with a person. If you want to learn more about this topic and others like it, visit our website at Catholic.com. For Catholic Answers, I'm Carlo Broussard. Thanks for watching.